Hello, elephants, and welcome to your maths lesson. This week, we're looking at the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 5. You have got 5 fingers on this hand. You've got 5 fingers on the other hand. The number 5 on a dice looks like this. 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and 1 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 5 looks like this. Draw the hat, the back, and the belly. It's a 5. Watch out, it might come alive. This is a different way of looking at the number 5. Your dice. This is a different way of making the number 5. I've got 5 dots on a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another way of making the number 5. This is what the number 5 looks like as a word. If I wrote the word 5 down, it would look like this. This is another way of making the number 5. This is my number 5 Numicon piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's see a different way of making a 5 with other numbers. To show you what I mean, I've got some more Numicon. I've got a 4 piece, and I've got a 1. If I put the 4 on top of the 5 and the 1 on top of the 5, I can see that it completely covers my 5 piece. So I know that a 4 and a 1 make 5. Let's find 2 other numbers that make 5. This is a 3. I'm going to put it on my 5. This is a 2. I'm going to put the number 2 piece on the 5. And I can see it's completely covered my number 5. There's nothing sticking out. So I can see that a 3 and a 2 make a 5, just like a 4 and a 1. Now, I know you don't have Numicon at home, so we're going to do this in a different way using part, whole method. Okay? We've got 2 parts and 1 whole number. The whole number today is the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to split the number 5 into 2 parts. This part here and this part here. I'm going to put 1, 2, and 3 in here, just like that one. Which means I should have a 2 for here. 1, 2. Perfect. I can see if I split the number 5 into 2 parts, I've got a 1, 2, a 3, and a 1, 2. A 3 and a 2, just like my Numicon. Let's try a different way. Now I've got my 4 and I've got my 1. So let's put 4 in this one to see if we're right. Perfect. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on this part, and I've got 1 in this part, just like we found out with the Numicon. 4 plus 1 make 5. I'll put them all back in, and we'll do one more. So I've used those Numicons. But what about this one? But this is the number 5. So this is telling me I have to put 5 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And nothing in this one. So I can see that a 5 and a 0 make 5. Elephants, can you draw yourself a part-whole method? Can you find 5 counters? And can you find out different ways of making the number 5? Just use counters for now. Don't worry about numbers. We'll get onto that soon. It's important that you find out different ways of making a 5. We found a 3 and a 2. We also found a 4 and a 1. We also found a 5 and a 0. Can you find out those ones as well? And are there any more that I've missed? Don't forget, you can switch these ones around as well. Have a go, elephants. Let me know what you've done on Tapestry. See you soon.